What if your ex regrets leaving you but won't say it? This is a common dynamic that I have seen over the last 10 years. Oftentimes, people can initiate a breakup because they feel overwhelmed, because they think it's the right decision, only to later realize that it was a mistake. And sometimes ego can get in the way, or a desire to save face. And so if you sense that your significant other wants to stay friends or is reaching out to you more than you thought they would, or if they're starting to give you attention that they didn't give you right after the breakup, it is legitimate for you to wonder if they regret their decision to break up with you. And the mistake that people make is that they either jump the gun and basically tell their ex, hey, I still have feelings. Do you want to get back together? Only to then feel like they were duped because their ex is not ready to commit in that way. Or you keep your cards so close to the vest because you want them to make the first move, because you don't want to be hurt again, or because you're resentful. But there is a middle ground. And the middle ground is having the confidence to nurture communication, to be able to talk without taking full ownership of keeping the conversation going. It is not your responsibility to entertain them or to make them want you, right? All you have to do is be confident enough to engage in communication without coming off as desperate, because you're not trying to seek their validation. And at the same time, to mirror their behavior, to be willing to communicate back with them and to show them that you're not bitter and you're not resentful, just that your priorities have shifted a little bit. But the more time you guys will spend together, communicating and hanging out, the easier it will be for your ex to overcome that regret and to actually show you, both through their words but also their actions, that they're ready for a new relationship 2.0. And when that happens, it usually does so organically as a result of your ability to overcome limiting beliefs, fears, and insecurities. That is what I want for you. And that is what I know can happen as long as you're focusing on what you can control. I want you to have clarity in regards to next steps and the path towards creating a new and improved relationship. And so I encourage you to book a coaching session with me or with someone on my team so that we can support you to ensure that you reach your goals of creating this new relationship with this person that you still feel deeply about. We're not going to obsess. We're not going to force the issue, but we're not going to let pride and ego also blind us and get in the way of potentially a new and improved relationship. That is what fighting the good fight looks like, and I sincerely cannot wait to work together to help you reach your goals.